Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Natalie. Bitcoin has been going up so much right now. It's just been skyrocket and everyone's concerned, will it continue to the upside? Will it come back down? And where can that target be? I'm going to show you with the Fibonacci where I think the market actually can come back down to if it's retracing back down. And we can have two different levels just to make sure that we are ahead of time and actually sees what's happening. We're also going to the lower time frames to see what's actually happening right now and what we can expect the market to do, because right now we are in a downtrend on the lower time frames and we have to follow what the market is telling us to do. Remember, I am no financial advisor, so please look everything up yourself first, but continue watching this video. I'm going to show you the levels that I'm talking about, and I'm also going to show you what we can do on the lower time frames. We're starting off with Bitcoin on a daily, and right now we need to know where the retracement might come back down to. We can start up with the daily and we can take the Fibonacci from 47627 to the high, and that's 55309. This is a level we can use if we're seeing the market continuing down. If the market doesn't reach that level that we're having, I can still have these on. So that's the daily Fibonacci. But if it's not coming down to that area, and we can take the Fibonacci from the 4-hour chart, that's 51350 to the high, and that's 55348. So, and we're just above the 50% right now. So we just might see the market continuing to the upside if it's respecting this Fibonacci level right here. If we're going back in time, we just might see the market also. If we're coming to the 61% area, we are also retesting a previous high that we had the 7th of September. Remember, market comes down, retest previous support resistance zones, and it turns away from that zone. We can look at the daily and see where we can find the zone on the daily where it's retesting, and we can go back in time. We can see that we are retesting that support that we had on the 25th of March. So these are two targets that I definitely can use for Fibonacci right now to see if it's actually going down. We do have a lot of bearish candlestick right now, but we did have a bullish doji on the 4-hour chart. If we are looking at the 1-hour chart, we can see that we are still continuing with the downtrend. We haven't broken the downtrend yet on the 1-hour chart, so we just might come back down a little bit more. The market is moving, it's very tight, it's very hard trading this because we have no idea what's actually going on. If the market now decides to stay here and it will continue to the upside, what we can do is we can take our previous lower high that we're having right here, and if we are seeing that the market is actually breaking that lower high, that means that we're also breaking the downtrend. Coming back down and retested shows us a higher high, a higher low, and then we just might continue. Trying to have different levels on the charts just to see what might can happen, and after that you understand when the market comes down here, you know, okay, this is the Fibonacci level that I'm having on the 4-hour chart. Okay, it breaks that level, it comes back down here, okay, but that's okay because now I know we are at the daily Fibonacci chart right here. So don't have panic, no nothing. That's just waste of energy. Just follow the market, see how the market is moving, and you are taking your trades off of what the market is actually doing, not what you hope it will do. Remember that we have been going up for a long time. We are also retesting this previous low that we're having if we're just going back in time to understand what's actually going on. And the market hasn't been moving so much today. It's just having going sideways, like a boring downtrend sideways market. So if you have been trading inside of this, I mean, we have no idea what the market actually gonna do right now, more than looking at the lower time frames that we do have a support right here. But if you're seeing that it's breaking the support, retest it as a new resistance, because right now we are in a downtrend and you have the lower high, you have the lower high, you have the lower low, lower high, lower low, low, but we haven't broken the previous lower high yet, and we haven't broken the previous lower low either. So right now the market is actually just going sideways. So if you don't have patience, You're gonna lose your money. Please, please, please don't try to stress anything. Just wait for the market to do its move. We've been having such a huge momentum to the upside. As we all know, after huge momentum, the market needs to take a break. It needs to chill, okay? It needs to relax. You don't need to be on the charts like this. You don't have to press your orders like that. Relax. Take your time. While the market is actually doing these boring things, this is a perfect time for you to go back testing. See what did the market do before? What happened before when the market did these boring things? Oh, we can go back in time together. Oh, right here, it's perfect. Just not for such a long time ago, the market just moved sideways, very boring. Lose money. Oh, lose money again. No patience. Come back down. And what happened? Market broke structure. Market broke the previous high that we did have here. Started to making high lows. Entry, high low, high. Entry, continuation. Fibonacci, from the low to the high. Fibonacci, market comes back down, retested, continues to the upside. You know what patient can do? It can do a lot of things. So right now we need the patient for the market because it has to show us what it's gonna do, when it's gonna do it. While the market is doing this, study. That's the best thing that you can do. So tomorrow we'll see what's happening. Thank you for watching this video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please comment below if you liked the video, and please subscribe to my channel if you are new here. I'll go through these pairs every single day. I have a lot of lives during the week too. So we see each other in tomorrow's video.